How to take screenshot on Instagram in direct without notification. The very first thing you want to do is to head over to your application Instagram. Enter your login credential and make sure you are logged into a specific account. So firstly, let me head over to the inbox of my alternative account. Let's head over to the gallery and then send one of these pictures to this account. So let's say this is the picture I want to send. Click on send at the bottom right corner. Wait for a while. Well, the picture has been sent. Now let's move into my alternative account. So the message has been sent to this account. Let me click on it. Now if you want to take the screenshot without knowing them, what you want to do is click on this camera icon at the bottom left corner. Now just click on this capture button. Once you have taken the picture, now you can zoom in the picture that they have sent you. Once you have zoomed in, you can take the screenshot. But before taking the screenshot, you have to turn off your Wi-Fi and then enable airplane mode. After that, you can take the screenshot. There you go, the picture has been saved into your gallery. Now you simply have to close the tab of your Instagram account and then open it once again with the Wi-Fi. After it's done, the other person won't be able to know that you have taken the screenshot of the picture that they have sent you. And then you'll be good to go. So that's all for today, and this is simply how you can take the screenshot on Instagram without any notification. Make sure to smash the like button and consider subscribing if you found this video helpful. We'll see you in the next one.